Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kaseng Voice of the People Party mentakasngi kesantarik upnaya yang arjar arpusau kala pelat pat ba ikimat trekam jongka hagbede ba kajingjit yang nong mi ikimat uban long kum UMP syekaying dorbar tawan ke Lok Sabha ha kabakum kaseng katrang ban wanra ya kajing sensar ke balarkam bat ke bamsya liang nang ta kajing yolat ki kena ke jelah ke liang ke puli putih pan penrung ya ke ketin kasih ya ke kredit ke bapra jong ke riti sensar jong ke ri nang ta kajing penbet ya uput usam bat ru kajing wanra ya ki kam penroy hagi tan kaput ban wat lat wat lenti kumno ban penmi boarding ne ki bor jong ke mariang pan seng ya ki karkhana ki badan jingya dai bat ka rep kariang nang ta ka baha ai kam ai jam na ka benta ki trai mulok ka jing dawa pentrai kam je ka inline permit badru ka jing persya halor ka jing pentrai kam je ka CAA hapo ka jela nang ta man kenteo ya ka kot ka khia ka jing persya ya ka jing ti yu marpo khndo uranium ka jing persya ya ka jing wanra ya ka lenti rel bat kiwe kiman haba ya keren mat kilat pathai khubor hadin ka jing pelat pat ba ya kimat trekam jong ka seng na kaliang undong aiktin ke VPP u Dr. Batskhem merbo ulaong baka seng ka pet ya ka kindon jong ka ritisan syar jong ka ri bat ban pentikna halor ka jing yo lat lut ban mani blay dan long kat balong ru syushu u Dr. Batskhem ulaong ru bakum ka seng kan pediang ya ka jingle don bor jong ke sorkar pedeng ya ki sorkar jela da ka bakan yu hadu ba ki jela ba pher kila sya yu lut ha ka dei bat ki hok jongki Hynrei ka dei ban don pat ka jing phia ha ka dei bat ka rukam penya ya ka kam badula ongru ba ka VPP kam dei ka National Party bat kam Kwah hiru ya kata ka Burom ban don dur ha Delhi Hynrei ka dei ka seng reolom ka bakwa panyada ya ka hok jong ki trai muluk klem dan yo ben ya ki weipat ki jat benreo.
Na kaliang jo Voice of the People Party kali ni ka janmi jon ka sngi i piang sobha i pi ki perlok na ka Shillong Press Club ki bla plat bor ni ka janmi ba pinwan ban chim ya ka media coverage halor ka jingmu jo ka party ban plat ya ka manifesto ka jongka na ka benda ka ni ka MP election
The Voice of the People Party na tu se ni ka mang prekam na ta ka MP election akajar akusa bat hangi inandes ka tu ka ni ki mang prekam bat nasi puli ka tu ka ni ki mat ki prekam ka tu ka ni ka mang prekam belamang ta ka party tidak hangi ban ekran ya ka jing sensyar kebalarkam nanta kesensyar pajba kejing bom syak silang imas salang ke alor ke puli putih nanta gidon ru alor ke artikel 371 dan nilai sepatnya buai bak 6 schedule dan kimat kibang nyekren alor ke polisi pendroi yaki tan kaput nanta kejing penmi boarding kerja karya nanta susu ru alor ke mariang hangin gidon di point A B bat K abi bat K nanta ke poin kedon ke BD bat kejing ya kerja kaput bat asam nanta kejing hak berta kerpang jikam jam kejing kendrai di drugs ke uniform civil code dan ke UCC aktif pelik barhani ngak ban kedeu sepang di perung no aktivasi agak kredit berpras ke riti sensyar ke India dan ke HDU nanta jikam kai dan di sports nanta ke inline permit ILP ke Citizenship Amendment Act arja ka kedai dan ke CAA ke bangtip dan nanta ke dulu alo ke koi ke khia ke dulu kamat ke BD bak surok bak kilat bak haji tip nanta ke jaka ding sun ke jaka yang ding sun ke bang tip ke airport nanta ke jing persya ke jing uranium ke jing persya ke jing Trai ke lentiren ke lokasi Jalja Hills nanta ke badang jituna ke khotmet bat berbudin yang diberikan di skim jam kesulkar pedeng. Ini dikimat di parti kasasiam hat pengkiman terekam ketika MP election ada usah disebut.
I'm also committed to that provision of the Constitution allowing us to make special provisions to protect the interest of the indigenous, the tribal people. So, our position is very clear, and therefore, it is it's a non-issue in fact. as I said, we are a party that is committed to the Constitution of India, adopted in 1950 and is amended from time to time. But any amendment to be brought in the future that will erode the basic structures of the Constitution, that will erode the principles of the Constitution of India for sectional interest, we will deadly oppose such kind of attempt.
Well, in your
Is it, I would say, intentional confusion, or a real confusion, or it is a pretentious confusion, or is it a genuine confusion? We are very clear that the Meghalaya, the official language of Meghalaya is English, and the associate official languages of Meghalaya are Khasi and Garo. We are very clear with that. And the official languages of India, of the Union, not of India, of the Indian Union. There's a difference between Indian Union and India again here. We shouldn't make a mistake between Indian Union, of the Union, and of India. The official language of the Indian Union are Hindi and English. So we have to be very clear with that. We in Meghalaya, the Voice of the People Party, is against the imposition of one particular language in the state of Meghalaya, which is a non-official language. I hope that is very clear. That, we are very clear with that. We will not allow the imposition, any attempt, whether open, direct, or discreet or indirect imposition. We will not allow that. Ngayon pinanumandang the party jungi stress pluralism. Any attempt to dismantle pluralism, we will oppose. Not only here, but even outside also. We will collaborate with the other parties that want to strengthen pluralism, to maintain pluralism in India. We will collaborate with such parties also. But in the Indian Union, it is, it is very clear, according to the Official Languages Act 1963, the official languages of India are English and Hindi. So that it is very clear. There's a non-issue. With regard to the use of Hindi unofficially in the society, it is up to the people. The people can use. If the people decide to use in the market, who are we to interfere with that? If the people, they want to just, discuss things in Hindi among themselves, who are we to interfere with the private life of the people? So there's a difference between private and official.
And only that,
The second part is about not indigenous. You see, we believe, as I said, we believe in the Constitution of India. What does the Constitution of India says? We have the fundamental freedoms according to Article 19. All the citizens should enjoy. But at the same time, within this article, there is a provision saying that special laws can be made to protect the interests of the indigenous people.